Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer to a new SIM with T-Mobile, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer to a new SIM with T-Mobile, start by checking your eligibility. Ensure that your phone is unlocked and compatible with T-Mobile's network. Visit the T-Mobile website or your nearest T-Mobile store to purchase your new SIM. Once you have your new SIM, power off your phone. Locate the SIM card tray on your device. Use a SIM eject tool or a paperclip to pop open the tray. Remove your old SIM card from the tray carefully. Place your new SIM card in the tray. Ensure that the metal contacts are facing down and the card is properly aligned. Slide the tray back into the phone securely. Power your phone back on. Wait for your device to recognize the new SIM. If prompted, follow any on-screen instructions to configure your new SIM. To activate the new SIM, visit the T-Mobile activation website or call T-Mobile customer service. You may need to provide your new SIM card number and your account information. Follow the activation steps as instructed. Once activated, test your phone by making a call or sending a text. If you encounter any issues, contact T-Mobile customer support for assistance. Your phone should now be fully operational with your new SIM. Enjoy your T-Mobile service with your new SIM card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.